How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's video is something that I really look forward to each time I get it. What's in the box? What's in the box? Or what's in the boxes? Let's see. Mail time. It's a super great time because, this means somebody took the time out of their day, out of their life, their busy, valuable time to think about me or whatever channel it is that's doing a mail time call video. And what it is, if you don't know, is when we as creators do these things. We put these videos out there. We come up with these crazy ideas in our mind and put forth the thought, the time, the effort to make the videos for you guys and gals to watch. And sometimes people like to send not really fan mail. I don't like that term because I'm not an actor, I'm not a star or anything. I'm just a regular person like you. So I like to say, I just like to say it is a thank you mail, And sometimes people want to send you a shirt, a sticker, a postcard saying hi from, whatever great part of the country you're from or whatever great part of the world you're from. And that's what's going on here. I got 2 boxes from the same person. So let's get to it.
Show you with the box. Who's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box?
Now I took the liberty to already cut open these boxes. That way we wouldn't have to be fighting the letter opener and everything on camera. So let's get to it. I think I'm going to do the white box first. And who this is from a great channel on YouTube called SaneAuto. He's got other channels also like Sane Enterprises. His wife's got one called Carol Sane. And these people have helped me so much over the past year and a half, 2 years. Because at one time I was going to give up and not do YouTube videos. But through talking to them and their great encouragement and their great support and everything, as well as all you guys and gals, of course, have kept me doing it. Kept me going and kept me wanting to do it. But they sent me 2 boxes today and they are greatly appreciated. So let's see what's in them. Like I said, I've already cut them open. Let me put on my old man specs. And turn it this way so you don't see the mail. Alright, there's a little letter in it. A note. This gift was purchased by Victor at SaneAuto. Victor, come on, man. You didn't have to buy anything. I mean, I should have just went out there and wrapped up one of those fancy tools you got out there and sent it to me, right? That way you ain't got to spend any money. But I do appreciate it. I really do. Thank you very much. Again, this is what makes it so great. Another channel showing this channel support. SaneAuto. Thank you very much, Victor and Carol. So let's see what it is. Got some newspaper, and here's the funny thing, I always like looking at newspaper because depending on where it's from, you get to see parts of the country. The Kansas City Star, wow. You get to see stuff from parts of the country where you don't live. Okay? All kinds of news going on from there, so I'm actually going to look at that too. That makes it even that much more fun. But here we go. I see what it is already. Now, I don't know exactly what it is, but I know what it is, if that makes sense. And what it is a Hot Wheel. A Hot Wheel. And for those that don't know, I have mentioned in some of my videos before and in other people's live streams, like one of SaneAuto's live streams, that I used to collect Hot Wheels. At one time, I had anywhere from 3,000 to 10,000 Hot Wheels. I mean, I had them everywhere. Treasure hunts, specialties, one-off, Kansas City specialty cars, from the Hot Wheels convention, stuff like that. And I don't have a bunch because I sold them all off, but I do have a few, and I'll take you in there and show you a few of them in just a few minutes. So let's see what this is. I can see through the plastic. Sweet! It is a 2010 Camaro SS, almost in identical colors to my car. Look at that. That bad boy is sweet, let me tell you. From the Hot Wheel Garage, number 6 of 10 cars. So that means it's part of a series, right? And it was 10 cars total, and this is number 6. And it's got the rest of them on the back telling you what all was in it and everything. And that's really, really cool. I will hang this on my thing in there that I have my Hot Wheels on. So let's get to the other one. Add that to my collection. Next up, more paper. I know what this is. Can you tell by the size? Now I'm going to dig through this box for a second just to make sure there's nothing else in here, which I don't assume there is. Nope. Well, they packaged that really good. Now let's see what it is. I know from these little 4 humps right here and the size of it and the feel of it that it is another car. Is it a Hot Wheel? Is it a Matchbox? Is it a My Stove? Let's find out. I'm going to have to tear into this one. I got it taped up really well. Don't want it to just jump out and drop it. And if you got a 5th gen and happen, which I do out there, and happen to own a 4th gen, what do you need to go with that? You need a 4th gen to go with it, right? Look at that bad boy. I now have 2 Camaros, just like I have 2 Camaros out there. Sweet. I like the paint job on that one too. That's been pretty cool. 2 cars for my collection. Now let's go in here and I'll show you exactly what I have. Now I turned on an extra light in here so you can see real good, but here are just a few of the ones I actually have out on display. Got one over there too. That one used to be in a pack on here, but I had this over here one day before I put this TV in, and I was leaning back in my desk chair and the desk chair broke, and I'm falling on this and knocking it over, so I damaged a few of the packs. So that's why this one is actually out of a pack. So that will go there, along with the 4th gen that Victor and Carol got me. That'll go there. And then my new 5th gen they got me will go here. But as you can see, basically all that's up here is Camaros. There's the Brembo brake one. Then you come down here, of course you gotta have a few of the Fast and Furious, right? Gotta have a few of those. Come around, some of the other Camaro Collections. I don't have that complete set. I would like to, but I don't. The Moon Eyes drag car. I got that in 2 different colors. Back to the Future car, more Camaros. But pretty much all that's up here is Camaros. As you can see, there's another Moon Eyes. I have 2 black ones like that and the gray one. Oh, that's funny. Got the Copo Camaro. More of the other generation of Camaro cars. Like I said, I need to finish that set. I really enjoy those. And I found these My Stoves. They're pretty cool. I found them at the Dollar Tree. I mean, what the heck? They're Camaros, right? So why not add them to the collection? But I've got a few. Like I said, I used to have anywhere from 5,000 to 10,000 of them. I had a bunch of them, but not anymore. I still got a few up in there in boxes. A few rare treasure hunts and everything that I decided to hold on to. The Blue Streak series and Dom Perdome, the Snake drag car. I've got that, which also I have down here. I picked these up. The wife got them for me at Walmart. 72 Plymouth Cuda, right? Got the Snake. And if you're going to have the Snake, you got to have Ed McEwen's car too, right? Very, very fun thing to do. Anytime I go to a store that has Hot Wheels, Matchbox, anything like that, I'm always digging through them just to see. I really enjoy it. But let's get turned back around here. Sorry for the bright light, but I wanted to be able to see. It's kind of dark in my room because I don't have real powerful lights in here, just because I don't want, you know, I'm always on the computer looking at that and your eyes get strained, and if you have a bright lights in your room, it's like, just gives you headaches and stuff. But this is the joy of having a channel. You get to converse with people that's not from your area. You get to do all kinds of cool things, including getting mail from other parts of the country. It is so much fun. I enjoy the crap out of it. Again, thank you, Victor and Carol, for taking the time to get those for me. I really appreciate it. As you can see, it's on my Hot Wheel tree now, and that's where they'll stay. take them off once in a while, look at them, dust them, reorganize them, and there you go. But get out there and enjoy your cars, guys. I'm going to end it with that now, because you too can have as much fun as I have. And I have loads of fun doing this stuff. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so very much again for watching. And thank you, Victor and Gary, one last time for thinking about me. It means a lot. Thanks.